Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? Today, we're delving into the SPY ETF. Our initial report was shared on our website on Thursday, March 14, 2024, and now we're presenting a more in-depth analysis for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and enable notifications to stay informed about our latest insights. Stay ahead of the curve and be prepared for any market changes. Improve your trading decisions by exploring our new AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI technology and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video serves for informational purposes only and is not to be construed as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate with a score of 1.90. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this period. Investors who heeded our analysis would have seen a significant gain of 19.57% since SPY was initially highlighted as a buy candidate 91 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 0.22% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently positioned within a narrow and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase within this trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 10.81% change expected in the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging between 8.89% and 11.57%. For the 12-month trend, a 21.79% change is anticipated over the next year, with a possible return between 5.34% and 22.4%. This equates to a price range of $542.43 to $630.31 after 12 months. Our latest update for the SPY ETF highlights a red day on Thursday. The price of the SPY ETF dropped by -0.198% on Thursday, March 14, 2024, from $515.97 to $514.95. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.04%, ranging from a low of $511.82 to a high of $517.13. While the price has decreased in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still up by 1.35% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume surged by 44 million shares on the last day, despite the declining prices, indicating a potential increase in risk in the coming days. A total of 93 million shares were traded, amounting to around $47.77 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the SPY ETF reached a high of $518.22 and a low of $386.29. Currently, the price stands at 0.63% below the 52-week high, which is also the all-time high for the ETF, with a difference of $3.27. Signals for SPY. Today, the ETF shows mixed signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top on Tuesday, March 12, 2024, leading to a -0.354% decline. Further downward movement is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, a sell signal is currently active from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased during price declines, serving as an early warning that requires closer monitoring. Despite this, the SPY ETF indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, painting a positive outlook. Moreover, a general buy signal is observed from the alignment of the two signals, with the short-term average surpassing the long-term average. Support levels are noted at $513.61 and $501.92, with a breakdown below signaling sell opportunities. In the long-term chart, the ETF displayed a golden star signal on Monday, March 27, 2023. This rare occurrence, where the short-term moving average, long-term moving average, and price line converge, often precedes substantial and sustained gains for the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 42 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 86 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, by signal 75 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. Looking at the downside, the ETF has found support just below today's level with accumulated volume at $482.91 and $469.33. When testing a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If this support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $482.91. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $469.33 and $468.79. Generally, this ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low. On the last day, the ETF moved $5.31 between its high and low, which is 1.04% of its value. Over the last week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 0.98%. Now, let's delve into some potential day trading levels for SPY. In an upward trend, the initial resistance level for SPY stands at $515.97. If you are not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For those already invested, this could be a point of interest for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $482.91. If this support level remains firm, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $499.87, representing a decrease of 2.93%. This ETF demonstrates minimal daily fluctuations, translating to lower risk. Additionally, a sell signal was identified from a pivot top just 2 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? Our analysis indicates that there are positive short-term signals and a generally favorable trend, suggesting a potential buying opportunity at the current level. However, considering the recent volatility and movements, the current price may be overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, March 15th, our forecast predicts that SPY will open down $0.318 and commence trading at $514.63. Trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investments. Your investment choices are your own responsibility when using this information. Share your thoughts on our current stock view. What target do you have for the ETF? Feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Wishing you success in your trading endeavors. Have a wonderful day from the team at StockInvest.